We had a gentleman who sold his condo 2 years ago and then split it 4 ways with his 4 kids. Now he has no assets, $5,000 a month in income, and he needs to apply for Medicaid. So he violated Medicaid's 5-year look-back period by giving away all the proceeds from the sale of his house, which would not have even been a countable asset. So now this, how did we get this person to qualify for Medicaid? Can it be done? It can be done. It can be done like one of 2 ways. One, it's you put the money back, and then I can do a personal services contract and give it right back to you. But in this case, they don't have the money to give back because they've spent it all. We have to do a personal services contract with some special spend down documents that will allow for that gifting and allow them to qualify for Medicaid.
So the point about that is that most people out there understand that there's a 5-year look back period for qualifying for Medicaid, but the tools that we use here at the Olsen Law Group are Medicaid compliant tools. We can work right around that.
Absolutely.
And we can even undo the mistakes that people made in the past.
Correct.